In order to calculate elasticity, I have set up what I call a three-step plug-and-play process. The first step in this process is to identify our variables. And from the example, we should see that the quantity demanded before the war was 120 barrels. After the war, it was 80. And the price of gas prior to the war was $4 a gallon, and the price after was $6. Okay, taking those variables and plugging them into our elasticity equation, we should see that on the numerator we'll have 120 minus 80, which is 40, divided by 120 plus 80, which is 200 divided by 2, which would make that 100. And in our denominator we got 4 minus 6, which is negative 2, divided by 4 plus 6, which is 10, divided by 2, which will make that 5. So carrying that forward, we would have in the numerator 40 divided by 100, and in the denominator we'd have negative 2 divided by 5, and we compute that out, and that gives us an elasticity of negative 1. Okay, step 3 involves evaluating our calculation. And based on our prior slides, an elasticity of 1 indicates a unit elastic demand. And the negative aspect of this indicates an opposite effect, basically. And our interpretation of that is, for a change in price, there will be an equal and opposite change in demand. In other words, if price goes up, demand goes down. Applying this to our example then, if gas prices increase 10%, then demand for gas will decrease by 10%.